Right, today we're going to have a go. Oh, hello, welcome back. Today we're going to have a go at creme brulee. We've never made creme brulee before, but me and Sam are going to have a go at it. It's quite basic ingredients: caster sugar, vanilla. You can use pod or extract. We got some nice Madagascan extract, so that's all right. Cream and egg yolks. And we're going to start by separating the egg whites from the egg yolks. We don't want the egg whites, we just want to use the yolks. It's going to make a kind of custard. So I'm just going to get rid of the egg whites and the shell. Plonk them in there. You can, if you want to save, I mean, I'm only using 2 eggs here, but if you want to save the egg whites, you can always use them for meringues or something similar. Right, once we've got that, we got 2 tablespoons of caster sugar and a little bit of vanilla extract. So put that in. Lovely. Put a bit more, I like vanilla. So give that a quick whisk. We're just whisking that up, just to dissolve the sugar. Right, over here, we've got a little pan. Stick that on full. Double cream. 300ml of double cream. Into the pan. Just going to heat it till it just starts to bubble. You don't want to burn it, so keep stirring it. Just want to heat it gently until it bubbles. There's the double cream. Heating up lovely. While that's heating up, just give this one more whisk, make sure all the sugar's dissolved. Great. Cream, that's heating up lovely now. See, the double cream goes a bit more liquid-like when it's heated up. That's it, extreme close-up, Sam, on my hand. We'll go for it. There you go. Look at that. Boiling me cream. Right, so we've got that. We're just going to wait for that to start to bubble. It's important that it starts to bubble, then we know it's had enough. Right? Do you like that sound? See, that's why I've got half a dozen followers. Right, so here we go. We're going to boil that up lovely. Is that hot yet? Do you think it's bubbling? Can you see any bubbles?
Yeah.
Can you see bubbles?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. So this part's important now. Once it's hot, we need to put it in here, but we need to whisk continuously as we add the cream, yeah? So here's the hot cream. Turn this off. A little bit of cream into the custard, into the egg, sorry. Give it a whisk. A bit more. lovely. And then the last. So I'll whack that in there. Now that is so easy. That is the base. That is the creme brulee basically. So we've got that. That's all whisked in lovely. Then we tip this. We've got some ramekins here. I'll do one. I think we'll probably get about 3 out of this. 2. A bit. I can't have a bit. So 3 ramekins full of creme brulee mix. And what we're going to do then is going to get some cold water. And just fill up this dish until it's halfway up the ramekin. So that's what we call cooking in a bain-marie. I don't know why it's called that. So I'd say it's about halfway up the ramekins. A little bit more. You say it's halfway? I can't see. Yeah. I'd say it's halfway. Yeah. So we're halfway up the ramekins. We're going to get some tin foil. Cover the ramekins over. So basically, the idea of cooking them in the water, is they steam gently, and the heat's quite gentle. It's not an extreme heat. If the oven's too hot and you don't use the water, what you tend to get is bubbles in there, and you end up with like a bubbly scrambled egg, as opposed to like a creme brulee. We don't want that. We want a nice. We're aiming for a nice smooth mix. We got that. So we put it in our oven. Our oven's heated to about 130 degrees. That's rude, Sam. Why don't you turn your phone off before you started filming? Come on, man. That's not professional, is it? It's getting bloody phone calls from people. Right, okay. So we're going to put it in the oven. 130 degrees. Then we're going to have to do a time lapse here because that's going to take about an hour. All right, so come back in an hour. See you in a second. Bye. Okay, so creme brulees took a bit longer than we thought. I thought they'd take about 45 minutes. We've been here an hour and a half now. We've had enough, so we're going to check them and see if they're cooked or not. So let's have a look in the oven. I'm going to get the creme brulee out. Oh, look at those babies. They look alright, yeah? A little bit of a wobble. Pretty much set, like a set custard almost, yeah? Look at those, they look nice, don't they? So, we'll get those. Stick them on this old tray. We'll sprinkle a little bit of sugar on top. All over. And then we're going to whack these under a hot grill. Oh look, here's one I turned on earlier. Whack those under a hot grill for a few minutes, and we'll. Oh, sorry, do you want to have a look? Do you like that? That's what they do. Look, that's proper shit. Look. Look, can you see that, Sam? Can you see him? It's good, isn't it? Hey? Right, okay, so we've done that. Right, we no longer need this water, so we'll get rid of that. And in a couple of minutes, they'll be nice grilled. So our creme brulee is brewing nicely, and today we're lucky, we've got a special visitor. Now I'd like everyone to meet Victoria, who's
Hi guys.
who's our
He's our what?
our special cook for the day.
What? I've not done anything. I've just walked through the
Victoria's
door.
going to rustle up Chateaubriand, which is like fillet steak with a nice roasted vegetable, a homemade béarnaise sauce, some Duchess potato. Right, how do we do it, Victoria?
I'm off.
uh,
Oh no. What is this?
hey,
Oh no.
don't you want to be in my video?
I've been in plenty of them.
Look. Look what we've got. Victoria planted some runner beans earlier this year in the garden, and we've been getting bales and bales of them. Look.
I have as well.
Yeah. So these are Vicky's beans. They're nice, aren't they? Look at that. Got a munch on one. Show it to the camera. Got a munch on it. Munch on it. Just munch on it. I'll tell you. They're delish. Not that is now. A has been. Eh? That's a has been, Vicky. Eh? Well, keep munching. Good for you. One of your 5 a day, Victoria. Rubber. Right. Once we've done that, so I've got a mouthful of beans. Now we've got to check our creme brulee. Could be brown by now, you never know. Oh look. Oh, it's sizzling lovely. Now, I won't lie to you, that's not as golden as I would have liked, but the middle one's awesome. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out that middle one, because that's caramelised lovely. I'm just going to give these two another little grill. But that's what we're looking for. A beautiful golden top with the sugar. Nice, not solid, but nicely cooked custard. Fantastic. That is the perfect creme brulee. So, that's our quick recipe for creme brulee. Massive cooking time though. So what I'd do if I was you is I would put it in the oven, forget about it, go and watch a film or something, and come back later, because we've been standing around waiting for it, and it's a very long time. If you've got any more recipe ideas that you'd like us to cook, send them in, and we'll have a go for you. Can't promise they'll be successful, but we'll have a go for you. All right. So that's it. Creme brulee. Keep cooking. Have we got any brown sugar? Brown sugar. Oh, we use white sugar. You are my candy girl.
And then we forgot the words
again.